Wall Street Willie. What is a paycheck? A paycheck is money that an employer pays an employee on payday in exchange for work they have done. It could be in the form of a physical check that needs to be deposited in the bank account by the employee in order to cash it, or it could be money directly deposited in the employee's bank account. What is included on a paycheck? The name of the employer and employee, the amount of money being paid, the date, and the employer's bank account number are some of the things that are included on a paycheck. Usually, something called a pay stub or a pay slip is also attached to the paycheck. It shows the pay period, the gross and net earnings, as well as any withholdings and deductions, like income tax, Medicare and Social Security tax, 401k contribution, etc. Who gets a paycheck? All employees get paychecks. An employee earning a fixed salary generally gets the same amount of money every paycheck. On the other hand, for employees who are paid by the hour, each paycheck amount can change depending on the number of hours worked. How often do employers give paychecks? Depending on the terms of the employment, a paycheck can be paid weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend! If you enjoyed this video, check out related videos and playlists in the description box below.